To manage your business details, click on the hamburger menu located in the top left corner of the home screen. From the menu, select My Business. This will take you to the My Business screen, where you can view your current business details. To make changes, click on the Edit icon button located in the top right corner. This will open the My Business Edit screen. The first section is General Details. Here you can update your business name, nature of the business, email address, contact number, website, general shift interval in minutes, and social media links. You can also select business facilities such as free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and parking available using checkboxes. Once you've updated these details, click Next to proceed. In the Location Details section, you can pick your business location from Google Maps. The auto-generated Google address will be displayed. Provide additional details such as street, city, and postal code. Click Next to proceed. In the Business Details section, select the type of business from the radio buttons. Input your business registration number, registration date, and license period. You can also upload a copy of the business license. Click Next to proceed. In the Profile Customization section, input the story of your business. You can also upload a profile picture and profile banner. Click Next to proceed. In the Contact Person section, input the contact person's name, email address, contact number, and designation. Once all details are filled in, click Review to proceed. Upon successful update, a confirmation message such as Profile Updated will be displayed.